Where to now? Station's just ahead. I love that. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Stop Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Let's get this back on track. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Excellent! Good job! Fun! It's super easy to find your new toys. Just look for the beam of light.